John Sutton, why did you take this case?
Well, having discussed the matter with you, John, and met with Pamela and assessed what she had to say, she struck me as a woman of great integrity and honesty. And I was compelled to listen to what she had to say about her situation at the time, and it seemed to me that there were real matters to be tested before the court. And in that situation, I took the view that I should go into bat for her.
And are there changes that could be implemented that would make it easier for people to decide whether or not to contest the matter?
Yes, undoubtedly there are. Chief among that would be provision of any evidence that the police have before the day of hearing. It's not unusual for police to serve statements, documents right at the last moment, including allowing people to see video footage of what is available. And video footage is very powerful, obviously. And in this case, there was suggestion that there was video footage. And of course, that's why Miss Bonney wanted to bring this matter to court so she could see the video footage and prove that the matter wasn't as the police said it was. Of course, when we got to court, we found there was no video footage. So if such documents or such footage is available, people can view it, make their own mind up in a more informed way, in a more honest way, and decide whether or not they really do need to contest the matter.
Now, fines are typically not that big, but the cost of going to court can be. Can people do it for themselves?
Yes, and yes. If people want to view my website at armstronglegal.com.au, we actually give people tips on how to go to court, how to represent themselves, and what it is they should be looking out for. But, and it's a big but, if you go to court without experience and you go to court not knowing how to ask the right questions, the chances are you might not get the result that you want. Now, that being said, if self-represented people do turn up at court, my experience is magistrates will give them a lot of latitude and will try to be of assistance, although not to favour any self-represented person. But yes, the answer to your question is people can go themselves.
Thanks so much, John.
My pleasure.